Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken tikka jalfrezi. Before I start, please take a second to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Thank you. To make jalfrezi, you will need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, half a medium sliced brown or white onion, quarter of a red and green pepper or half of one colour, 4 teaspoons of garlic ginger paste, 3 bird's eye chillies, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder or curry powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of tandoori masala powder, quarter of a teaspoon of mustard, 250 millilitres of curry base, 1 tomato sliced into 8 pieces, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, veg, paneer or tofu, 1 green finger chilli, and quarter of a cup of fresh chopped coriander. Heat the oil, add the onions and peppers and fry it for a few minutes. Add the garlic and ginger and fry for 1 minute. Add the tomato paste, spice mix, coriander powder, chilli, salt, green bird's eye chillies, tandoori masala and mustard. Stir through, then add a third of the base, mix and fry for a minute. Add another third of the base, mix in and fry for a further minute before finally adding the last amount of base. Add the green finger chilli and fresh tomato, mix through and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the oil separates. Serve and sprinkle with the chopped coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.